Good morning. Welcome back. Today I'm on a job. It's a little bit different from the other jobs. It's a rekey job. I have 4 locks that I need to rekey. If you can see here, I've already removed 2 of the locks. One is a deadbolt lock and one is a handle lock. And I'm going to show you how we rekey first and foremost the deadbolt, how we take it apart. So let's get started. Okay, so the deadbolt, we have a fastener here on the deadbolt. We have to remove this on the cylinder. Oops. Sometimes it goes smooth, sometimes it doesn't. Like so. Get it removed. Like that. You can see here, that's what's fastening, what's holding the tumbler in. Okay, now I do have, in this case, the original key for the lock, which is, of course, in the other lock. Okay, so I have here key, you turn it. That's very important. You have to turn it away from the 12 o'clock position. Make sure, very importantly, that the key doesn't come out. Otherwise the top pins will fly off. You get this tool here, which is a follower. And essentially, all I do is take it away from the 12 o'clock position, put the follower in, like so, and I can push the tumbler out. Now you'll notice that when we do this, we have 5 pins here that fit exactly this key on the shear line. I take the key out, I have the new sets of keys already pre-made. Now I put the key in and I look at the pins. And I can see out of the 5 pins, really 1 pin is the same size. All the other 5 pins I have to replace. So I'm going to show you that in the next segment, how I replace the pins.